In this video, we will show you how to use our personalized template. Search popcustoms and click to store. Choose the personalized on catalog. We have designed different personalized templates for various products. Choose socks for a sample. Select color and size you want, click here to personalize. Click Confirm. You can choose to hide custom borders or not. Click here to upload your image. You can adjust the size, orientation and position until you are satisfied. Input the text or name. You can select the font and color you want. After all adjustments are made, click Add to Cart. That's all about today's video. Let's go to design yours now.